Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. By the way, this one is the surprise Mother's Day's gift for my wife. So I got this through the Dodgers email saying that they have this shoes that was available. And I had to grab it right away. Unfortunately, they only have 8, 9, or 10, so hopefully this size is gonna fit her. I picked the size 9. Normally she wears size 8.5. As you see, there's a hole in the box. I'm not sure how they deliver like this. So, and it is from Fanatic. Let's go and then unbox this. So this pair is $49.99. I thought I applied the free shipping fee, but I'm not sure it didn't go through. I need to call the customer service. It's supposed to be free shipping fee, but somehow when I look at the invoice, they charge $9 and then the tag, so it's about $66 something. Here's some of the promotional coupon. $100 wine voucher. Wow, looks so good, eh? I'm not sure if it's include my invoice or what. So let me give you guys 360 view of the box real quick. It says genuine, and you got this baseball MLB official sticker right there. General merchandise, team sneaker, and it says FOCO. So it's mean this one, it says find your fanhood at FOCO.com. And you see LA, what? Men's 9. Uh-oh. That was a woman. I'm in trouble now. There's a hole punch right there, but somehow still intact. And it says size 9. Oh my god, this one's gonna be too big for her then. It says Dodgers and it has a TM trademark. And then you got the gray tongue. It says LA. Got this gray and blue stripe right there by the midsole. Also the gray on the back of the heel cup. And it says size 9. Go ahead and check out the size label real quick. So yeah, it's kind of has a glue right here. So check out the outsole. It says FOCO right here. And then here's the other side. So unfortunately those are not embroidery, so got the white lace. The white tip. Uh-oh, I already told her already, so I'm gonna be in big trouble because this is not her size, men's size 9. That's a woman, and you got the silica gel. Well, anyway, if she doesn't like it, well, anyway, I'm not sure. I probably need to buy her another one then. because I just grabbed it right away because I didn't want them to be sold out. Unfortunately, the top box right here is kind of dirty, but anyway. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comment from below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.